carbon monoxide alarms detect this poisonous gas and provide early warning, helping protect your home and family. First Alert offers many different types of carbon monoxide alarms. There are plug-in alarms, there are tabletop alarms, and there are CO alarms that are also smoke alarms with both types of sensors inside them. These can be mounted on your ceiling or wall. With First Alert 10-year sealed battery alarms, there are no battery replacements for the life of the alarm. It is important to install carbon monoxide alarms on every level and in every bedroom. If your carbon monoxide alarm does sound, leave immediately for fresh air and call 911. It is key that you test your carbon monoxide alarms regularly. If you have battery-operated alarms, replace batteries every 6 months. Alarms don't last forever, so be safe and replace your alarm every 5 to 10 years, depending on the manufacturer's instructions. First Alert, protecting homes and families since 1958.